Manche me amanche, wope usan wakeshida fe habu. Bun uko wono, oke wate wonu chumume. Nuko bashinya, yetu njoleme. Ata obi wa boy ni bekene. Bo yo rimo no ba chonwo. Ata obi wambubutwe, rimo wambubutwe. Ene obi obo, we nucho Yesu Kristo gba amen. Mene ni rimo ninke ba mala wa ekome. Then my decision. Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father. There is no shadow of turning with thee. Thou changest not, thy compassion they fail not, as thus have been and forever will be. Great is thy faithfulness, great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Summer and winter, springtime and harvest, sun, moon, and stars, and their courses above, join with all nature and mindful with witness to thy great faithfulness, mercy, and love. Oh, great is thy faithfulness, great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, thy hand had provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Amen. When you come on the Genesis chapter 24, verses 12 down. Oh, fine. Nya read the English. You can read the game. Read the fine. Oh Lord, God of my master Abraham, he prayed, please give me success today and show unfailing love to my master Abraham. See, I am standing here beside the spring, and the young women of the town are coming out to draw water. This is my request. I will ask one of them, please give me a drink from your jar. If she say yes, have a drink, and I will water your camels too. Let her be the one you have selected as Isaac's wife. This is how I will know that you have shown unfailing love to my master. Before he had finished praying, he saw a young woman named Rebecca coming out with her water jar on her shoulder. She was the daughter of Bethuel, who was the son of Abraham's brother Nahor and his wife Milcah. Rebecca was very beautiful and old enough to be married, but she was still a virgin. She went down to the spring, filled her jar, and came up again. Running over to her, the servant said, please give me a little drink of water from your jar. Yes, my lord, she answered, have a drink. And she quickly lowered her jar from her shoulder and gave him a drink. When she had given him a drink, she said, I will draw water for your camel too, until they have had enough to drink. So she quickly emptied her jar into the water trough and ran back to the well to draw water from all his camels. Amen. Mene moke isane hami akenke ba hofin line no. Anye me ke wo kane ko kwe kane mo ni mami kane bi ha obi amlanto ne. Wo na keshin camels alo yoma na kolojie amno nuwa den chefe kolofen kono wola shem no. Abraham ni echu a servant akaya tawo na can be Isaac ni Abraham a hal instructions okay small ni be na here fa mimba onupa jimi in like she inga egbo ni agbene bi Isaac ho e she time no ba fini san enanga she small ni in be Isaac ke ye New York Kenya bi na ka mention eya she Abraham be ba he Kenya eche eje maame ne eba he Kenya eche to wo men wo je wo hia Ghana no ba America ne ni wo lebe no wo hia bi money I raise the right money e maame ke papa echele loduba je sha hale ni ye she atwosele loduba wo lebe ni ka atwose mu ko hia be ne eyo ha ebuomu eba he wo hia wo lebe na eyo ke mu ko atwosem ko Dubai Ghana ni ebuomo ngbe ye hye wo yemi ewie basabasa ke enamfiamo e papa tepemfonyo e mami tepemfonyo eke hengbele eke nyale ebuole ewo ni Abraham ba Kenya enashe Kenya ye ametumo emam eneje ba ye ni ye ojeme amhe egbo ni amebuomo ni Kenya biye ametumo na kan and one of comparison be Anthony Benny me won the Ghana in the 70s say a lot late 70s say when I cashi I trusted big be I trustable no one that I trusted no papa come by re no okay oba ke but oba je import fine me no okay okay fine in Josh o re o che o papa gbe Mr. Mensa ocho na back pain onyo check back pain but be ko yo mi wonyo agbo pa here ake o check back pain na kan but no ba gbele bo na abu no ke o che ba wie o ke shiba impo fine me no ke impo fine me no tawo impo fine o ka fine ba je wie mo shi amonto ne technology wo kase ni bi ni komani esa no wo kase yo mami ewo bana atwose wo bana wo me bana atwose wo na kan mo gbe ye twose wo inni maka akeshi wo mangana to bani bana atwose me bani minda me ne atwose me na ka yo ewo I can't even voice for them anymore. Yes, I'm fe westernized too much. I'm to me fe to me because be na for me my name allo me to na be take ya me po ona she Abraham nene ye Kenya bia yahe ekadabi Eliezer bo min ke washi inda agbene nimbi Isaac e bonancho naction ni ye 100 years den mbokele hami e wo oblanu ni pako ebano ni emamela ho ejemi e wo min town oya heni minje 400 miles from heni minjo ya no to nga keje imma Minipotenium kekeba ha mbi Isaac ye Kenya ni Abraham chu naka a servant Eliezer e kebra maji gbe no otu mi gbe jeke ncho npa o fine ma be feel realistic okay is in favor again o hani obi Isaac e marry any of the Canaanite women she but to me papa fine nimbi wo sane ke inte o tun maja ake o servant maja imbaje tun no tun mi ndashi inka shin yae shin bo nimbi wo sane ke inte ni be ka ye ni o jemi alo be ka yo ni minta ole e ka bi ejeke she ba min ba fe e ke ko te oleni Abraham assure Eliezer ne ke Eliezer kumo ni ngoni ihie alo ihie all this say about train bofo ne eya jeme ne e fe gba mi fine e habo ni ko te gbe no ba che jeme ni modern student e ha ni jo eba fe bi le mo enga anyeme faith ne am fam ke hie Eliezer faith ni Abraham no ye great faith e woni Abraham ke Eliezer ke e je woni e ke yo ma ya chumo no chume gwe no chum no ke bo no bo aka wo fa chi bo prophet jibu e wo ka o ke chi ba chu ebofo na ye hie ma he maya ma to nga ke obi Isaac anyeme sometimes say wo heal o sofo jinkume wo yo o ya wo here akola ni wo twame ame wie komenyo na eba mi ni wo here me yo she sometimes say wo nche wo ke wo ya ni bo hie no she ni ne ewie aka ene baba mi she say no wo nche wo sole wo bi ni ma she ne ewie eye egbenolo anyeme ni Eliezer ni Abraham kelashi ya imam menipotanium no aton ngake hambile ni eshedeme eya dumo shankeshi inu cho Abraham ke ni mo ba twa bofo ni e ba ye hi ewo ni etejime ebi ni mo no hoye e kan ni etejime reading mo ni wo ma me reading ni mo read ni etejime e ka ata min bibo noko anyame mi to the one ni jensen care about camel say in care about camel say am no ba e here come nyoma je come pe here 10 camels ne e kam fanakan gbe anyame camel come ba nyenu 53 gallons of water 53 gallons of water e ba amanyame nu camel come e wo imagine ake camel e come 10 ni Rebecca hamenu na menu me fagbe na me fagbe gbe jeke 400 miles na me keche na ka menu protein me ni anyeme ni papa la binyo ake am cultural ake moko onam ko ni kuma ile alo e fagbe ni kuma ile obanyo kala show ke bibo nu onyo ke ha lepe gbomo ke ha le okay ha ecology she ni Eliezer shedeme e ka ata mi to no o fe ne ke to meji an kwal ne ke yo ne alo gbomun ba nu ni manu ni ba ha ni ko ke han ecology le e fe ne ka gbe ke jo e no o die le ke ha papa bi Isaac ne sole ne bi ni mo ne ke sane de anyeme ni kwa Rebecca no kwal for ne ko bile wo ko twi bile ni ebo to ne ebo hawo anyeme papa Eliezer solene kan solme aka egbena ni solemo egbele na po shi sole edumumi ni egbe solomon pa na Rebecca ni mba Bible describe as Rebecca e 4 denche obliyo ni e 4 ni e suban le hu just e 4 ye outside she inside le hu e 4 ye emi anyema nyekwa aka ni dumoshi ye camel say camel ekome 10 na amenu nufe kolokfe kolo wole ni eke ata fine obanyo ndoko e bi like she Eliezer bi Rebecca she hamni nuoko ke han koloji beni Eliezer soleno ke nwa min to man market yo ne le din nu brencho o to nye nke Isaac ke lenche gbele na abu ne ke nuoko na koloji ko le efen kan oblayo ni di Isaac nya anyeme nya ho do anoko me dag me kan na some clues ko Bible me kan endumo no wade nche kumo camels ekomo nyuma na me numu aka me nukra 50 gallons mo ko fe ma nyanu ni Rebecca ya well me ya back and forth ne ha kolo mo afa nu na me nu na me gbena Eliezer bi mo shidi na ekwele aka ene ni ebo nsolimo to omo ne ke ase ha mi omo ne ke ni o dai ni sole ne jen mo ye echo mi ke twimi e won egbe water fe na ni eje ye ring de ke gomi ni ke bracelet Rebecca ni ne shi ne kala shi inwo ebom twe inwo Abraham ni wo ebom twe oduba anyeme Rebecca do for invitation ya kan nyime akeke mama shi enne ebadu na me wele bakokpo ni ife moko wo mena aka aba aka mana wumene bakokko ni ife wo mena aka aba fam bride in the town bride ka hamoko anyeme no fe no feel what do you trim no ka feel what feel no quality ke min shami ke won feel what how do you say this in Ga what fear actually one friend called me or you know I mean fame and I don't want to do it but I'm just doing sake Rebecca ke me share e ha camel say no ni Eliezer la hu nakeshi anokwa no ebuletwe e wo ni enakeshi emission fe successfully Go read verse 29. 29. Go read Genesis 24:29. E ko ashi e kun ashi ne ejin moyi. E bon mo jemo aka ejin mo yes obo master Abraham e Solomon atwe. No ohani inba enyen ewokuma aten. Je mokumo okay directly straight to Abraham. Enyen ma aten. Ni imba nanga nke ya bi Isaac anyeme ke obi no for guidance say wo solo go hwe no how according to his plan a direct your wo a guide your wo you no friend of you be ke wo ye ni mo hie she ke wo ten wo be like aka energy plan ni execute ni mpa wo fai wo mi to mo fear if successful ni mo dey ba wobo no friend no ta ba family e ba successful madum wo nyame yo Rebecca launo agbene Rebecca je mukoni lazy jile je lazy woman je lazy girl jile a serviceable spirit for edumo for no me for your jimmy in shape for edumo no ke bi antone ko kembo age and day name me anyeme we spend your time ke ha wo here wo makeups ke wo wigs ke wo nails ke wo neke we spend time nike oya wo nails say osmo no ba kitchen bu ba ho nyemi ke obi ke wume osmo no ba yes oya fe for oya stand your beauty osmo no fe no osmo no ko ndi ta no ko she Rebecca ake inner beauty. A beauty, a outward appearance. It's outward a figure. She call you inner beauty. You live with forever and ever and ever. Rebecca beauty, it was from within. And you know, what friend were line he what cultivating the beauty neko. I can nothing will fear. What one Joe chimney, one Joe what me fake and fake. One fake hand, what fake hand, what is that? And you know, Rebecca, nini a fake war, no way and no young, no jolly. Ni mo jo Rebecca ni efeshi bi ji wo ni oko eshi wo Abraham se shi bi jiwo because of Rebecca Jacob ba fe jomo e ha jele mfe 12 tribe of Israel bi ba then Jesus Christ ba jemi anyeme ndumbo ke won fe no ko no ko twi follow ba ejowo ni wo se shi bi fe ba na ka jomo na ba yoko one you feel what no form here ni shemi what feel no feel one fake hand no le pe wo feel ha anyame ni wo no cho Kristo mi wo feel she be me ko won wo feel she no feel one fake hand wo cha ata no feel ke ha remember Rebecca fe ni modern to jolly e fe no ko o na e fe no ko ni mo mi she ni e John Rebecca ni Eliezer hu e sole even though I say Abraham kalashi no ba cho e bofo na ba yo hie na se de me e dumo se idol e bi e kan mo jue e kan mo han mo fe mission ni papa ke tum ne Abraham ke tum ne e fe successful min sol min bibo fe mo ke e real bo ne tawo le pepe ni mo lo ni e answer prayer ni mo fe ni le etwi small ke Master Abraham min to can walk by faith not just by sight ni Abraham weke hwe no e ka shi Abraham weke na ka no ka shi me moduboshi mo ka shi before ka gbeke Abraham lo dabi e lo e kan negotiated akan mo ni papa ni Abraham akoba chombofu ne ba ye hi shi mo min bibo Ilashi Abraham nka Abraham ehie so many years in the numoneja nimbo leke Abraham dagna Abraham gbele na bune eke the maker of the heavens and the earth ka Abraham gbele na bupe nke ngoni le bosh ponke mwe ke mwenke mi fe lenkele hion e wo Eliezer ke na ko no popo Abraham en na hemo ke jeli Abraham ni mo mi ake le ejuo ni ko ba le ejuo en na ke le Eliezer na ke ni Abraham no ni wife Sarah hu no yobo ni na me ke for Isaac ni le a few eyewitness ne e wo e hail na Abraham ni mo ejo e hail lo jogba nya ha no fe gbemenkome ni wo fe gbeme ni jelemba na washi wo he Jesus Christ wo ye nya wo no fe no wa fe amen na ke wo no choice no ko he no ye wo wie mo What telling me wo? What no feel? I try to see and quality Christopher Jiwo. What can she Christopher Jiwo can wonder? She was attitude was dream on me. No fear of fear, some of faith, no emulate Christ. Did the man like she lano quality Christ and okay, wole, danger. Just walking up one abic can rule. I never knew all neutral Christo me. God was quite bonny Eliezer, a fate no your Abraham, no more near me, no one day a shedeme, a tell well leneke. Abraham, Master Abraham no. Boham success, winning. Honey, no, action like a mafia. Honey, ebami. Nini no ni go or focus no. Ni a little tree, no tree here, no tree need you. A keva hawo. Ni no okay, he jemo fe hale. Ni ke fear, what call glory, she walk a glory, adoration, ke fe hale no more. E walk a swan feel quo, keke, what by he, what dalashi, what by he, what no gojo. No fear, a fear how, a nakashe be, what by he, no what G, what comfortably, in my fine, Minton already, Naka verse army, verse 24, 25, or fine already, I mean. A jelly, come on, Monkey, a high cocoa, a camite, a cho, a kuma shina, a white jay, no banya fene, no banya fene, not pen about all the old steps, kaya henny letter on the air, no pen bar fake, okay, a jim of fair halle, okay, shida fair halle, and what a jumo buffet, a dum buffet, me share, they can only no pet. In Master Abraham will pen fane, they can take straight to in Master Abraham, a relatives, a wukuma thing. I can't tongue, can't be Isaac. I never want no more. Who will be a guidance, say, a cahawo. It will a cabahabo. Nibonja okay, Jemo Bahale Kumuto. A waka Eliezer and Abraham no more. Nelajica a solke shrino. A bow bulletway, a bar failing a canoe for Bahal more. A bar focus Abraham no more. A bar focus let a bar fake back. Henny Bebekla, a banya a fake back, Nick Beba Jimmy. Henny Trini unlucky, what banya a spiritual keys, naked belly, no chumming kaya, or destiny, any attorney a kawaya, a bag billion control, unlucky habu, the bag billion about chummy with flying colors, one no more a small sunny, a tower no fellow, okay, Jim of a halle, what that be go billy, according to his will, a few how, a cabashibia, and you become me, cabashibia, and you become me, Mabbe Conrad, what be according to his will, what be according to his design, what be according to what he wants us to do. One big wolf when they call physical body, a total bill, spiritual things. I could one little more, one little power of its resurrection. No, at all, no, just Solomon was solid. I could walk billy, no spiritual grow from grace to grace, just your physical body, what comfort zone, your physical no, at all lily, at all lily, what can let here to bar, what was the candle, no fear, no, here, to what care, brothers, here. Nobody no wala me. I name no money it was jale. A jay no bobio la boshitonke when can me be fair. They can no let a lady down on your let God your explanation. Let a direct you. The Bemejan and my feminine agio. They can't know hear me. What son will focus on like a Kahashika? She won't focus on as one little to bar. One little Holy Spirit, and direct one chow. No can hear to bar. No, just Solomon and be fed there. What they hear what be. As it could be Abraham, 17, a papa, a master here. Nay, Abraham, cake burning up in Monique lay here. Let the maker of heavens and earth. That been Abraham Bagbil Nabune, a choy in Monakel Hum, a choy Monakel Ewale, a choy Monet, let the FL Ram, air sacrifice be Isaac, let you provide on the mountain of God there, God provided. The cat Eliezer and any name fair, a what head Abraham Monet, a head lady to bar, a 1 year to bar, one actually let Yagashi, oh, Master Abraham, and Solomon war, Nifedo, Lew Ekin Moya. Men told me what your line no. They said there, what you want the Holy of Holies. Ni what function mono. Ni it will let about boatway, about hello no. It just a big jiwo. Would you outside this? You wouldn't take and let us know. Would you a big once ever book a minkable war? A privilege. I call but holy of holies. In the time of healing, they will seek mercy and grace. And yeme, one the advantage and privilege ne. What is that the holy of holies? A be finger be me. No focus no. Leba answer. In can end the door ne closer. No first spiritual key. If I believe how and the things that we think is not impossible, God can make it possible. Is there anything too hard for God? There's nothing too hard for our God. No let him more. Yesterday, today, and forevermore. He never changes. He's God. He's forever God. What here and him no here? What here no here? No fear no me. What fuck it no? That be. It just a no in store for us. A to one lily. A to one lily. Nile to minkable faith. One lily. The power of His resurrection. A to one now. No genuinely a to a crave for actually minkable one now. Than Jilem ni Jilem offer. Jilem cannot find one nane. It will bend one day. It will burn. Can Peter Kemi? Jelen Febani. It will burn with fire. Maba Peter. Any prophecy ni Peter Vene so many years ago. Nyekwa amlanto name Jelen Woyo. Nyekwa last week ni Proton Joe Russia president ni Dubai parliament ni Yoshi. I'm a bomb. I'm a C bomb. You can't detect my bomb. The cake ni a boss too in what he have made. Near 28 everybody in the earth. No be a 20 fitano fiano. If I can go start Jelemy, Russia be a fefe, Akabafite Jelemy. Jelemy, Akabafite, Akabai hands to the wall. No from of South Korea, North Korea, and no from the second, and they fear just to hang the earth, but to destroy the earth. And what can Peter Kaishin, Jelemy will be burned by fire. I believe it's strong from what I'm hearing now. In the media, from what I'm hearing, I can have a bomb in the moment. Oh yes, in the moment. Honor, commonly America be prophet some 75 years ago or 78 years ago. Now I'm the Japan being nationally. And yeme bomb coming for me. Oh okay. This is the time for us to realize that the end is near. So we should seek God. Strongly. Nya anya what on no ka what hear me oduba. What hear me oduba. This is the time I can minkable. Wo ba dumoshi wonu no no ka le. Abraham, Isaac, Jacob no no ka le. Wo ba mwani ba ni le e ka ba here to the very end.
Sorry, I sorry.